for YouTubers to what we got here. The funny 2 Hampton Bay me at 2 something I got Facebook Marketplace for $25. Which mattress because my God, it was so fucking disgusting and dirty. So greasy, definitely came out of the kitchen how greasy it was. The boards were kind of blue. I don't know why it is. Depending on what, there's some of the spray marks on there. Don't know why. Half the fans go down the top's really sticky. It's a paint job. Paint comes off real easily. So some of it's off. It's a paint job. I soaked the 5 stool, these nuts in the main logo in some water. I can remember if the logos crashed before that, but the letters, the portraits are black, so kind of like that. And my one came off into the logo looks like steel brushed nickel. But no, but so yeah, if it was brass, it came off of the one brass ginger. Yeah, such stuff. See right out off. And this one, I got this one in my neighborhood, believe it or not. And no, I'm not changing my neighborhood too. It's kind of weird. Chill, man. It sounds so weird, ain't gonna lie. Technically, too. Got the original metal pole. That comes down my butt, whatever. You fucking know. First man, look good there. This one I didn't have to take my license plate, so maybe I had to do fans. This one I did. It's so bad. I took the vent strings of it because those were really disgusting. So I just took them out of there. You really don't need those. Sorry if you hear fans making noise in the background. I have a lot of fans in here going because I'm a little hot. The landmarks making noise. It's on me. Almost sounds like there's something there. No, it's just the way it's working, that's weird. It still hear noise in the background, that's why. You can hunt over there, vitals every once in a while. I don't know how long it's been well for, but I don't care if it's been one yet. We're gonna change speed right now. Let's check this box that came out with. It was all put together, my God, too. So that sucked. Gotta take the whole fucking thing apart to get clean, right? So stupid. The guy who sold is a faggot for making $25 and Dirty is a faggot for never cleaning it. So, yeah. Chill, man, Mark. Chill, Daddy. Chill. Remember Bible that bad? It's a bad high vibrates on it. Okay, it's quieter. Oh, it's got barely noise. Great. Back over, you bitch, on there. Bubba's less so honey. So I'm talking a lot about the landmark. Let's go ahead on here. I was trying to get the shut out. It's the minimum noise, but I want no wobble to it. We'll cut it to like cut out. It's gonna produce spin now. I'll be right back, people. I stopped already. God, why is it hot in here? It's cold out there, it is in here. It's weird. Just do house cold fucking. And I think because it's not under cold, that's only 69 now. And here it's weird when it's on, it's cold as fuck. This room. The point where I got cozy goddamn in it. And talk fucking. So I got over half of things are low, and there's one to me and there's one to high. Dropping juke, it's hot. Yeah, no, on foot. I don't went to Mars in my fans yet. The way I went twice, it's cold down here. I don't know if I'm going to have to winterize this room or not. Because it's a little hot soon. We'll just have to see. Let's cold out. Alright, let's see. I'll tell you in the doorway. None. Oh, the sun is not much. I don't know why that is. Oh, there it is. It's just like in a weird more spot, but it's not damn. Shit, close up real quick. So I can take my happy ass to bed. That's the noise you hear. Good say. Alright. It's got mushroom grab. Original pulls the middle. This type of middle. Yeah, someone made different kinds of middle on this thing. The way it goes mushroom grove. It came like this ball here. I didn't those workouts now when it gets hot. And for chest and pieces, I do it daylight. So, pick up my buckets, the blades, the oak side fucking bridge. Go for so fast. It's from 2003. I did see that. I can't remember what month. It's a tad down. I'm not gonna go into detail. Oh yeah. What does it say? April? It's blurry! It won't focus, you cunt. Frank says April. I'm not sure. No, sir, I can't listen myself, so yeah. Hey, make a goddamn motherfucker I get, bitch. Yeah, I don't think you wanna do that. You get fucked so hard, just like a bitch. Don't fuck with me. I ain't the one. And you right, son, go and peace out. Pussies.